In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress forms with Odoo in just 5 minutes. Integrating these powerful tools can enhance your workflow, streamline your data management, and improve your business efficiency. So, let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Odoo website. If you're not familiar, Odoo is an open-source platform offering a wide range of business applications that form a complete suite of enterprise management software. Once there, locate and click on the Sign In button. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials. Otherwise, you'll need to create one to proceed. Logging in will take you to the Odoo dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your Odoo applications. Next, on the dashboard, navigate to Settings. You'll find the settings by looking for a gear icon or a similar option within the dashboard navigation panel. This area allows you to access and configure all the various components and integrations within Odoo. After entering the settings, look for an option called Technical. Clicking here will unveil deeper configurations within Odoo that are crucial for connecting external applications, like your WordPress forms. Once you are inside the Technical section, you need to find Database Structure. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Clicking on Database Structure will direct you to various elements that make up your Odoo database configurations. The next step is to select models. A model in Odoo is essentially a method to manage your data structure and apply logic specific to your business needs. By clicking on models, you will be able to see all predefined schemas that exist within your database. These steps will prepare your Odoo platform to integrate seamlessly with WordPress forms. The technical configurations, such as models and database structures, ensure that the data captured via your WordPress forms can be effectively translated and utilized within Odoo's environment. By following these detailed instructions, you'll not only be able to establish a connection between WordPress forms and Odoo, but also better understand how these platforms can be synchronized for optimal performance. This setup will facilitate the automatic transfer of form entries from WordPress, streamlining workflow and data accuracy in Odoo. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a powerful integration between WordPress forms and Odoo, allowing for effective data management across your business systems. Don't forget to test your forms to confirm the integration works smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.